Yes Bank has lost nearly half its share price in the last year following a rescue by Reserve Bank of India. On Friday, Yes Bank traded slightly over Rs 13 a share from Rs 23.95 nearly a year ago. India will play against New Zealand to decide the first winner of the World Test Championship from June 18, before playing a 5-test series against England. The UNICEF on Friday 7th May 2021 expressed that it is very concerned about the deadly daily surge in new COVID-19 cases in India and said this wave is almost 4 times the size of the first wave. The Supreme Court on Friday asked the petitioner opposing the ongoing construction work for the Central Vista to approach the Delhi High Court again for a speedy hearing. Banks will be shut on a few special occasions for a remaining month of May, according to the holidays mentioned by the Reserve Bank of India. An Indian-American group of physicians is sending 5,000 oxygen concentrators to India amid the second COVID-19 wave. Decks have been cleared for transfer of money directly into the bank accounts of eligible farmers in West Bengal under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme. India on Saturday reported over 4,000 coronavirus deaths in 24 hours for the first time as 4,187 people died of the virus. The coronavirus death toll in the country has now risen to 238,270. An ambulance operator in Delhi, who is also an MBBS doctor by profession, was arrested for allegedly overcharging COVID-19 patients. He charged an elderly patient Rs 1.20 lakhs for a 350 kilometer. At least 10 workers died in a quarry in Andhra Pradesh's Kadapa district after a large quantity of material used for blasting rocks exploded on Saturday. That's it for today's news. Subscribe Indian Journal for more updates.